In this video, we want to find the solution to the Diophantine equation, 6x minus 33y equals to the 15. So this is going to have a solution if and only if the GCD of 6 and 33 divides 15. So the GCD of 6 and 33 is 3. That divides 15, so this has integer solutions. Now let's divide the equation by the GCD. So note that 6, 33, and 15 are all divisible by 3. So let's divide by 3 to get 2x minus 11y equals 5. And so we just need to find a solution to this. We can rewrite this as 2x is equal to 5 plus 11y. And if we let y equal 1, x turns into 8. So that's one solution. This one we didn't have to get creative. We could just plug in y equals 1. Now to find the general solution, we know it's going to be of this form. We found one solution. Well, first, before we do that, let's calculate b over d and a over d. So b, we said was negative 33. The GCD was 3, so negative 33 over 3 is negative 11. And then a we said is 6, so we have 6 over d, which is 6 over 3 is 2. And then we can just take the solution that we had previously and just combine it. So we get x is 8 minus 11t, and then y equals 1 minus 2t.